In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end your Calendly subscription. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling and managing appointments, but sometimes, whether due to changing needs or preferences, you might decide to switch to their free plan or stop using their paid service altogether. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to downgrade your subscription, ensuring a smooth transition while keeping your account secure. If you're new to Calendly and don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and explore its features. Now, let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Calendly website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in www.calendly.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. To log in, select the Continue with Google option. This is the quickest and easiest way to access your account, especially if you originally signed up using your Google account. It saves you from having to remember another set of credentials. When prompted, choose the Google account that's linked to your Calendly subscription. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one associated with Calendly. After selecting the account, click the Continue button to complete the login process. This step is important to maintain the security and privacy of your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Admin Center. You can usually find this option in the menu or navigation bar. The Admin Center is where you'll manage key aspects of your Calendly account, so it's the hub for making changes like the one we're about to tackle. Next, in the Admin Center, locate and click on the Billing section. The billing area is where all your subscription details are stored, from your current plan to payment methods. Take a moment to review the information here so you know exactly what's being billed and when. Now, look for the option to change plan within the billing section. This is the area where you can adjust your subscription settings. If you're looking to save money or no longer need the premium features, this is where you'll make that change. Select the downgrade option, which will take you to the next step. At this point, you'll see a button labeled Change to Free Plan. Go ahead and click on that. This action will officially initiate the process of transitioning your account from a paid subscription to Calendly's free plan. The free plan still allows you to use Calendly for scheduling, but without the premium features associated with paid plans. It's a great option if you want to continue using the service on a more limited basis. Once you've clicked on the button, Confirm the changes, Calendly may ask you to verify your decision, so follow any additional steps that appear on the screen. After that, keep an eye on your email inbox for any confirmation messages or notifications from Calendly. These emails will serve as proof that your subscription status has been updated successfully. If you don't see anything right away, be sure to check your spam or promotions folder, just in case. And that's it. You've now successfully downgraded your Calendly subscription. By following these steps, you've ensured that your account remains active while transitioning to the free plan, giving you continued access to the platform without the cost of a paid subscription. If you have any questions or run into issues during the process, feel free to share them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.